The same thing. When God allows us to come to something and mature. I told about the stage of the perfect man. You were here. You remember when I been reporting by the stage of the perfect man. You know what was the secret of this? The stage of the perfect man, it's something that grows, something like this. Huh? When it grows up like this, lion's hands, inkulu, it speaks of faith. There were so many here. But we are going because there's 7 steps as well. I think we'll combine I don't know. You'll see. Now Kupuga, it's faith, it's virtue, it's knowledge, it's temperance, it's patience. Now Kupuga learn to become narrow and narrow. That's why the deep Bible, many are called, but few are chosen. Now speaker like it's not every Tom, Dick, and Harry that's there. Hence Paul say, many of us are running a race, but it's not all of us that wins. Because the others, they fall in the wayside. The others give up in the wayside. The others, maybe they don't love the way you preach in the wayside. The others maybe don't love your style or your character in the wayside. But to go up there, it's not for every Tom, Dick, and Harry. We started all here. But now, Kupuga, you realize, yes, example, is something 100, like a marathon. Marathon teach me number 1. Where are the others? Oh, when you collapse, oh, when you make a vomiter, oh, when you wheel, oh, when you limele, oh, when you faint, oh, when you give up, you don't do kishima, don't gang in Canada, but the one, the Bible, remember, it is the Bible said, but he that endures until the end, he that starts from here and endures until the end. It's good to come to church, but the question is, will you endure until the end? Because not every Tom, Dick, and Harry endure. People give up. People give up. But when you have a heart and you are called, if God can lay my history down in front of you, some of you will say, Chaparmina, give up. If God can lay it down. Who is this? I spoke to somebody, Brother Ruben. I'm trying to put yo. Bring it in some invite. Brother Ruben, I said to Brother Ruben, because we are Zubia, I said to Brother Ruben, do you know if it wasn't for God, when you give up, what did Japara know what you're talking about? What did him? I know what you're talking about. It's a no. It's the grace of God. And I didn't know who did about brother when I was preaching, they were envying me. You don't know that story. Let me tell you a bit of it. Their brothers, some of them, they grew me. But when they saw that I was becoming more than what they expected, they could not take that. Because my mama said, this thing come from God. I know when you were born what happened to you. So they started to envy me. You know what they did? They threw poison in the church. There was one man, he was an elder, Brother Stolz, you know him, man? That man was again, what you don't see, what I see, what my mother told me. What thinking one, you trust too much. And your heart is too soft to open. And you my mother used to, what you too good. And this man was again, what you don't see, what I see, you are in danger. When I hit the papa, the poison penetrated the church. They started to go. But guess what? Each and every one of them that went out, they backslid. Some of them, they went to drink, to make children. Some of them, they're still sitting, and some of them came back. But Tichapa will remember what you But to him, you still standing. I'm not happy that happened. Do you understand? But what I'm saying is that whenever God brings somebody up, now those brothers were there and they were preachers and they were more gifted than I was. And I will praise them for that. But I did not know they saw something that I did not see, that my mother seen before. When it emerged, they couldn't take it. And they say, we must take it. They told me,